Global Technology Leaders Fund. That sounds good, doesn't it? Let's have a look at Janice Henderson. Global Technology Leaders Fund. Right, before we do that, let's just... What? You want 5% initial charge, and then an annual charge of 1%, and then an ongoing charge of 1.23%. Oh, only since 2023. You've really, because you've been milking it. Why? Cost of living crisis. School fees gone up. Labour might impose 20% VAT on private school fees. Better get those ongoing charges up. That's ridiculous. You know what? Just see what's in their portfolio and copy it if you wish. Now, I've sold out of NVIDIA because I've had it since January, and I've sold out of... Yeah, can you explain to me why your costs are so large? Let's put that chat box away. Microsoft, I sold out because I pocketed those gains. I wanted to ease off on some of the equity holdings. I will get back into both NVIDIA and Microsoft in due course. I'll put that on my Telegram. But for the moment, just wanted to sit it out. Alphabet, I still got. Meta, I got out of for the same reason as NVIDIA and Microsoft. Amazon, I've still got. Micron, still got. Taiwan Semi got. Advance, haven't got. Marvel was on the approved list, didn't buy. Uber had ages ago, don't have. Okay, and you might say, well, no. But Alpesh, the reason you pay them all those big bucks is so that they can secretly pick things and not tell you. Well, they do tell you. Oh, because they can time the right time. Well, they still tell you, and surely you're not buying them for timing the market, are you? I thought it's about investing. Oh, no, because they have some special stocks that they can buy, which nobody else can. Well, no, you can get those as well. Okay, so, sorry. I'm not even going to look at their performance, because if you want to look at performance, those are the names. There you go. Just look at that performance of those. Besides which, when I had Microsoft, I had 15% in Microsoft of my portfolio, 15 in Alphabet, 15 in Meta, 15 in Amazon. They can't concentrate the way you can bespoke concentrate to the level of risk appetite you want to have. So there's another reason not to just abdicate all responsibility for your pension to somebody who is probably just as concerned about making school fees using the fees from your monies that you've given them. Anyway, alpeshpatel.com/links to learn more about investing.